Welcome to this Delft Stack tutorial video. In today's tutorial, we will learn how to get Lavos in Warframe. Lavos is a Deimos-based Warframe that is obtained entirely through Entrati standing rather than boss drops. To begin, open the navigation menu and travel to Deimos and make sure your Necralisk is unlocked. Once on Deimos, load into the Necralisk, and as you can see, I don't have the Necralisk, but after unlocking the Necralisk, just go to the Necralisk, and once you are inside the Necralisk, you must rank your Entrati standing to rank 3, which is also known as Associate. You can earn Entrati standing by completing Deimos bounties and exchanging tokens with the Entrati family members. After reaching rank 3, go to Father in the Necralisk, and from Father's offerings, purchase the Lavos main blueprint and all component blueprints. Each blueprint costs 20,000 Entrati standing, so make sure you have enough standing before purchasing. Once all the blueprints are purchased, head to your Foundry and craft the Lavos components using the required resources. After all components are complete, combine them with the main blueprint, and that's it. We just learned how to get Lavos. By ranking up Entrati standing to rank 3 on Deimos, purchasing all Lavos blueprints from Father, and crafting him in the Foundry. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the next Delft Stack tutorial videos.